Hello everyone, welcome to Planning with Ida. I missed my video last week, and as a result I have so much to talk about, but I'll try to make it very short and sweet. I have two boxes to unbox with you. One of them is my April box. I've seen Jenny opening the planner, but I haven't seen the stickers and the tip-ins and washi tapes yet. So I'm so excited to open up this one. And as I mentioned, my yearly planner, this one, was caught incorrectly. So they sent me a new box. So I'm excited to open that one with you as well. With that said, this is the last week of March planning. So I'm gonna go over my last week of planners. It was a Persian New Year, guys, and we always celebrate that to the fullest. So I just wanted to show you what happened. It was a super busy month, and as a result, I missed a few days on my book. But I had a very good time at my conference. It was a very successful and a good conference call, and have been spending very good quality with my family. Just wanted to go over my daily words. I read this one every morning before I start my day. That's part of my meditation and the prayer. It's such a wonderful thing to read. It's very neutral, it's very spiritual, and I subscribe to this daily word. You can actually see the daily word subscription. It's pretty simple to subscribe. This is from Coco Daisy. Forgot to show you guys. This is from Coco Daisy, and I keep that in right in here, so I know where are my bookmarks. All right, let's go to this week's planning. This is my planner. The week that is coming, I'm going to stay with this book all the way to Sunday, and hopefully starting Monday I'm going to switch to the new book. These washies are from Coco Daisy, and I love those. I'm going to show you what I have used to the end, and I finished, and I'm looking forward to start many other washes that I have, but yeah, those are one of those that I'm at the last leg. These are all from Planner Perfect. This is from last year, but these are from current year. This is Monday. I have the little notes here. At the end of the day, I evaluate what has gone good and what can improve. This is my Tuesday and Wednesday. Look how cute it is. These are definitely from last year. Thursday, and these are planning with Kay. This comes like a washi, but they're stickers. But these ones were in a sticker package. And all right, this is my Friday. Look how neutral and beautiful it is. And Saturday and Sunday. I haven't done my month in review, but normally this is something I look very much forward to do. My tab was very helpful, very useful, and this is my monthly that it's coming along pretty well. And as you can see, many things have been written on it. Those are hard to go back and forth, guys. So I rather to actually use a different planner for my monthly than this one, but certain things I write into this. All right, with that, let me start opening my boxes. I'm excited, guys, because I haven't seen I have not seen the washies and the tipping cards yet. So let's see what we got. All right, normally these are something that I will get rid of and finally find a way to use these. I'm going to save them and use them for gifting, for gift boxes. So I'm gonna put them away and put them in the Ziploc, guys. All right, let me move the candles so we can be more focused. All right. Yeah, a lot of these things coming along. All right, let's take a look. Oh, how cute these are. This is flowery, I think. It's a lot of flower in it. And these are little eggs, very colorful. I like it when it's very colorful, guys. It normally help us to plan really nicely. And there's little pink bows that these are cute. I don't know if they're for breast cancer. Is it breast cancer month? Maybe they look like a breast cancer. I think that was February. These are the new washes for this month. All right, let's go through the stickers. Oh, the gardening stuff is happening. I love the gardening for the month of April. It's very, very cute. Really, she has done really good job this time. Oh, I love that. A lot of those guys are new. I think these flowers are new. That, you know, mass majority of this stuff are new. We didn't see that. And then the Easter stickers. Oh, how cute is that? It's a very, very pretty sticker sheets. I think Jenny did such a great job this time. I'm super happy with these stickers. Stickers are something I'm the most excited, guys, because that's what I use the most. All right, and let me see if I can open up this one. Where's my scissor? Here's my scissor. Yeah, tipping is the one that I use the least. I have, you know, a lot of leftover tipping. I'm getting better at it now, guys, because I use them. When I read the book, I put it in the middle and I make notes. Look how adorable it is. And this is this one I keep on my dashboard and I like it. And then I do, you know, at least one grocery shopping behind it. So, because I know the one with calendar you can't keep, right? But these are how cute they are, as you can use them to, you know, put them in the gifts. These are so adorable. And of course, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, look at this one, guys. Isn't that so cute? Very, very nice, Jenny. And this is, I think, the this one is on the journaling package. I didn't order journaling, but this is, I think, it's on the journaling package. Very, very nice. I cannot wait to start using my April's box. They've been shipped like, oh, look at this, guys. Although I think the quality of her pages have been changed. These are a lot thinner than the pages we had before, and she had like a beautiful cover on the top before that. We don't, I mean, the texture has been changed. And this is the back with bunnies. Very, very, very cute. I always get, mine is in narrow size. I always have a narrow size because my leather goods are in narrow size. And I always get the dotted pages. You can select your own pages. They come blank, they come with the lines, and they come with dotted line and then the square boxes, checkers. So I think I always get these because it helps me writing straight, and it helps me put the washes nicely on it. This is my box, guys. I'm very excited to start using it. I think these are even better or nicer than last year's. So very, very excited. And the washes are very colorful. All right, let me open the other one and I tell you what I have from last year. I pulled up some of those stuff that I will be using for this month as well. Again, I use all my stickers normally, but not all the tip-ins and washes. Oh, she gave us a lot of those shredded papers this time. It's more than usual. So these will be, again, I'm going to save that, and I'm learning how to do baskets, like gift baskets, and they become handy. All right, this is my book, guys. Oh, it's perfectly cut, and it says IDAS 2025. Look, guys, it's this is what I had before, which I wrote to them. As you can see over here, was cut unevenly, but my new ones, it's perfect. So I'm very much looking forward to start. Although, I did some decorations here that I don't know if I can, take them out, but I will do the new decoration over here. And this is the back. So looking very much forward to start using my yearly, and it's not going to bother me as much. Things that I have used and I'm going to I have finished, I have used, thought I'm going to show you what I have been successfully using. So 2 pages of the stickers are empty. I'm going to get rid of them. I use Planning with Kay. 1 pages of the coffee I show you on my decorations. And then I have this washi that it has a beautiful ladies with coffee that I show you. That those are, they're not in this format, so I can show you. So these are all finished. These are the one that I have left over. I thought maybe I can show you again. I was so busy and I didn't plan for a few days. That's why I have more than usual stuff left over from last time. So I'm looking forward to save them for next year, especially Patrick's Day, that it's not going to be used again. But the flowers and the birds and butterflies, I think I don't use them for April as well, if it goes with the theme. Something I have finished was my daily word for January and February, so I don't save them because, again, I get the new ones all the time. I really enjoy that and highly recommend it if you are interested to add it to your morning spirituality practices. These are the 2 washes that are on the very last leg, so I thought maybe I can show you how I have finished, loved it, and I can see it in many of my papers before. The coffee. These are from Planner Perfect, and I love that. This is a coffee one. What I can do with these coffee ones, sometimes I actually cut individual and use them as the sticker in the top as well. So that was like one of my favorite. I'm a coffee drinker and I really like this washi. I don't know if you can, if I can repurchase it or not, but that was one of my very favorite. And this is, I show you before, guys, this is from Coco Daisy. I love the green on this one, and it matched everything. It matched like all the seasons, and I really liked it. Coco Daisy sometimes have leftover washes. I don't know if this particular one is available or not, but I'm on the last leg and I used it and I loved it, and that was a good one. Some of them I get tired and I just get rid of them. My Erin Condren Life Planner, and this is horizontal, guys. That was, I just wanted to practice to see how do I use it, and it's okay. I didn't hate it, but I'm going to, oh, look at that. I found a sticker. I'm going to get, of course, this is 2024. I cut the 2 pages and I'm going to put this in the recycle. So enjoy that. It was good, but I don't think I'm going to get a A5 in horizontal anymore, but something to do. What is working really nicely for me is my Makselife planner, guys. I love everything about Makselife. I think I like the quality of the papers. I like the feeling of the papers. I like the colors, and like the method and everything about it. So if you're looking for a goal planner, I think Makselife is the best in the market. I also love this, the front page. This thing is so pretty. Just want to show you how I plan, put my weekly actions here. Of course, I evaluate my week. This is the piece I like the most. On the daily pages, guys, it's quite plain. Comes like in just let me show you, blank pages. It's not as colorful and nice as their weekly planner. Look, it's all black and gray. So I think the intention is for you to use similar colors as your weekly planner, so you can actually match it and come up to the better balance. For me, it's always the challenge to come up with fun. I'm always planning everything else so well. So you can see my spirituality, my workout, my health, everything is quite there. But shopping and watching movie, for example, is fun for me. But I don't do a whole lot of fun things. Although, I think with things that I do with my family is fun, right? So didn't know, sometimes I don't know when it's purple, meaning it's for family and it's also fun. I try to use two colors at the same time. But yeah, this is how it comes up, guys. A lot of these stickers, these are from coffee shop, and then she normally designed those for Hobonichi, but I had some leftovers and I'm excited to use those, and the rest of those little things are from Etsy. My weight and then the workout things, and as you can see, they're super cute, and I've been enjoying using these. Next time I'll show you what, I have extra washes and a sticker from previous years that I'm going to use. I have not ordered anything special or anything in addition. Thank you so much for listening to me, and remember, every great plan starts with a little inspiration. Until next time, have a wonderful week and stay organized. Bye.